As we've journeyed through groundbreaking technologies, ethical debates, and visions of the future, there's one question that remains. In a world where technology and humanity blend, what defines us? Welcome back to Spill Edge. This is the final episode of our series, The Future of Humanity. Over the past episodes, we've explored the frontiers of AI, biotechnology, automation, and more. Now, it's time to reflect on the essence of our humanity. We are concluding this series with a thought provoking deliberation on the human spirit, our creativity, resilience, and capacity for empathy. So, without further ado, let's get started. From Aryabhatta's astronomical discoveries to ISRO's Mars orbiter mission, our drive for exploration has consistently pushed boundaries. This spirit of innovation is alive today with organizations like NASA and SpaceX working towards sending humans to Mars. The human drive for exploration and innovation is a big part of who we are. Throughout history, many brave pioneers have ventured into the unknown, whether it was exploring new lands, discovering scientific truths, or creating new technologies. For example, Christopher Columbus sailed across the Atlantic Ocean to find new routes, while Marie Curie researched radioactivity, leading to important advances in medicine. Neil Armstrong famously became the first person to walk on the moon, showing that we could reach beyond our planet. In technology, virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR are creating new ways for us to experience games, education, and even social interactions. These advancements are changing how we see the world and each other. As we look to the future, we face new challenges, especially with artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to change our lives in many ways, but it also raises important questions about ethics and how we use this technology. We need to think carefully about how AI impacts our society, just as explorers and scientists in the past had to consider the consequences of their discoveries. Ultimately, the stories of past pioneers remind us that our need to explore and innovate is a key part of being human. This drive unites us as we face new frontiers, encouraging us to dream big and tackle the challenges ahead. As we advance technologically, it's crucial to find a balance between innovation and ethical considerations. While new technologies like artificial intelligence, digital immortality, and emotion technology offer exciting possibilities, they also raise important questions about how they affect our lives and society. For instance, the idea of digital immortality, preserving a person's consciousness or memories digitally, challenges our understanding of life and death. We must consider whether this pursuit truly serves humanity or if it risks diminishing the value of real human experiences. AI driven relationships and emotion technology also highlight the need for careful thought. While these innovations can enhance our connections and provide support, they may also lead to a reliance on machines for emotional fulfillment, potentially undermining genuine human interactions. It's essential that these technologies are designed to improve our well being rather than replace the richness of human relationships. A current example of this balance can be seen in schools grappling with the integration of AI learning tools alongside traditional educational values. Many educators recognize the benefits of AI in personalizing learning and providing support, but they also worry about issues like data privacy, bias, and the potential loss of critical thinking skills among students. In summary, while technological advancements hold great promise, they should always be guided by ethical considerations that prioritize human well being. As we navigate this complex landscape, it's vital to ensure that innovation serves to enhance our lives rather than overwhelm them. While technology has the power to change and even improve aspects of humanity, it's important to remember what truly defines us as people: our values, empathy, creativity, and connections with one another. For example, during the COVID 19 pandemic, we saw humanity shine through in acts of kindness and resilience. These core elements of the human experience are what make life meaningful, far beyond any technological advancement we might achieve. Another example of this can be seen in the response to natural disasters like the wildfires that affected communities in various parts of the world. In one instance, when a town faced devastating fires, neighbors and strangers alike came together to help those in need. People opened their homes to evacuees, shared food and supplies, and organized fundraisers to support those who lost everything. This collective effort showed that even in the face of adversity, human kindness and compassion shine through. It's moments like these that remind us that our shared experiences and willingness to help each other are at the heart of what it means to be human. While technology can enhance our lives, it cannot replace the warmth of a helping hand or the understanding found in heartfelt conversation. As we continue to explore the advancements around us, let's hold on to these values that truly make us who we are. In the end, our humanity is rooted not in gadgets or devices, but in the love and kindness we share with one another. While experts and futurists can make predictions about where we might be headed, each of us has a role in shaping that collective future. Your ideas, values, and actions matter. Imagine the kind of world you want to live in. What values do you want to see at the forefront? How can technology be used to enhance our lives without overshadowing our humanity? Whether it's fostering kindness, promoting creativity, or ensuring equality, your passions and beliefs are crucial in building a better tomorrow. Take a moment to reflect on how you can contribute to this vision. It could be through community service, advocating for ethical technology, or simply being a good friend. So, let's embrace this opportunity to dream big and act with purpose. Together, we can shape a future that reflects our shared values and aspirations, ensuring that humanity thrives in ways that technology alone cannot achieve. What kind of future do you want to be a part of? Let me know in the comments below. With technology advancing every single day and at such great pace, we are heading towards a world where technology and humanity will be inseparable. Like a knife or a hammer, technology, for all its power, is also a tool. It all depends on how we, as a collective conscience, use it. It's the human spirit that defines our journey to the future. And our future isn't just something we wait for, it's something we create together. So, continue learning, questioning, and actively participating in the tech driven world, for it is our world and we have the power to shape it. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This video marks the end of our series, The Future of Humanity. It's a reminder that technology may evolve, but the human spirit is what truly drives our future. To check out all the videos in this series, just click on the playlist that'll pop up here in a few seconds. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned because we've got a brand new series coming your way soon. Until then, take care and see you next time.